now. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash the side.
Okay guys, I have to say this really quickly. I'm on my way to work. They asked me to come in early, so I just packed my stuff. I grabbed my laptop. I'm uploading a video today that should be uploaded while I'm at work. I'm working all day today, so I won't have a long day 6 because today is December 6th. But today is my last day at work, so the vlogs will be picking up. And what else? And I will be packing for Jamaica, so I'm gonna upload a packing video. Sorry, the floor is like super messy. I have my lunch. I'm just gonna throw on my jacket because I believe my Uber should be here like right now. Just gonna throw this on. Oh, almost popped my chain that I fixed. Okay. All right. Actually, I'm gonna do something different. I want to wear this scarf today. Yeah, I'm gonna be bossy. Alrighty. See you guys later. This little man right here is telling me that my YouTube is weak, and I'm telling him, just wait on it. Wait on my glow up.
Hi.
Yeah. Have anything to say to the camera?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, that's what I thought. He was talking a whole bunch of shit earlier, though. Surprise going away from me. Oh, let me eat this. I got like.
Don't require being nice. Got a haircut.
Come from that to that. A haircut.
The word is on, we out here. 2019. How much you pay for that?
It was 300 something.
Oh yeah.
But now it's discounted because the new one just came out.
Alright. What up, vlog? You know, Bicana, we gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you.
We wishing you good luck on your new journey. We know you're gonna body this.
Thank
you. You're gonna do your thing, of course.
Oh, here, this hate ass nigga. This hate ass. Look at him. I'm done.
I'm not gonna miss you.
This nigga gonna be under all my comments.
Because I have you here.
Aww.
See?
See, girls be falling for this corniest shit. He will call you a dog and then be like, I love you. And then you fall for it.
Yo, shut up. What do you want me to do? ¿Qué tú quieres que yo haga? Yo, listen. I'm making the money downstairs and I'm making the money here.
Yeah, you make it
¿Tú quieres un manicure también?
Yeah.
No Spanish right now.
Tú quieres, I want, oh, he said you want a manicure, you want a new manicure. Yeah. I think I only know from Taco Bell when he's like, yo quiero Taco Bell. I'm like,
Yo, get the fuck out.
because I knew I want something.
And you know what? I'm helping you on your floor. Let me show you what I brought
Oh my god, alright, let me see.
We
Oh, you got the green thing?
Of course, yeah.
You ever be feeling like he's doing something?
Boom.
Oh, that look nice.
You see?
That's not putting a dent in the $6,000 though.
It's effort though, it's effort.
What else you got? Got that bag packed. Ooh. Look at the Dominican daddy.
See that your mom look at the video.
I'm done.
Bacana gonna miss you.
Yeah.
Don't
I
record
miss y'all
this.
too.
You're not gonna have me on YouTube with my feelings. So I'm out. Bye.
Bye. Y'all seen Helen before.
Oh, I'm dead.
Look at everybody.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's why I was like thinking, I think I showed the video or something.
It's my little mini GoPro. Yo, everybody asked me. It was 300 something, but it shoots in 4K, it's waterproof, and it has accessories that you can come with. But I recommend you, if you do get it, it's very versatile. Get an extra battery, but now they're selling it at like less than what I paid for, and they're giving you 2 extra batteries. American dollars. It's amazing. Molly bought me fries, must be that shit. This is cold. Oh my god, mine. They warm.
Day by day they came back to their camp without success.
We're here to get our nails done.
But at last, unexpectedly, they found what they were seeking.
So it looks like before.
Feely and Keely and the Hobbit went back one day down the valley.
Good. Mommy and I just officially finished our nails, and she's very happy because before she wasn't as happy because the other one couldn't do the design, but my lady did the design, so now she's all happy. What's our sauce? I'm about to devour. I always get 2 McChickens and a medium fries. That's my forever McDonald's order. Let's show the camera. Let's show them now. This is basically what it looks like. Yeah. They're just a little on the
2 hours later.
Okay, so I just found parking. I'm gonna go into Forever 21. I'm just gonna look at the men's stuff and see if they have the things that Kai wanted. Lick me down with your fucking... Sorry. I'm sorry. Let's try again. Yeah. Smell a lot of gasoline and weed. But yeah, Forever 21 is right here. It took me so long to find parking, like a ridiculously long time to find parking, and 3 different locations across the mall, so there's probably a lot of people here. It's a Saturday and it's December 7th, so yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me as I go do that. Yeah man, mark it then to the lock up your leg. Alright, see there. I'll be right back. Let me make sure. Yeah, I think I might wear the black one. So you say I'm here now? Should I wash it? Wait there. My mother bag over chair. Chair over this part.
S-Pling on the track.
Stand out.
It's so long like with you.
Never that talk. I want to see it. Yeah, egg, yeah, boy.
So if you guys ever pack suitcase, you know, you'll see a lot of name. Huh? Be careful of a lot of sure, them again. Mommy! Okay. So I'm talking, like I was saying, if you guys ever pack suitcase and stuff and barrel, and you know you're gonna see a lot of paper and tags hanging and empty, something them hanging all over the place, but the place will be clean again. So rude. And today be head look mad on the internet. Want me blur your head?
I would knock you down.
Me blur your head here.
Olive Garden food look good though. Put it on his head.
So Olive Garden can sponsor me. Wouldn't that be nice? All of a sudden, I left no space for anybody to carry anything in my suitcase. My clothes, my suitcase. But Auntie Debbie said I left no space to carry nothing for other people. That's so wrong. And I might want to close them. And I do have people's stuff in the suitcase already. But let them go on top. You guys should go follow Amber Simone Music and go to her Spotify, SoundCloud, iMusic, and I believe Tidal. Check her out. Okay, so guys, I'm outside my co-worker's apartment. I hear her coming down the stairs. She's gonna be so shocked. But we're having a movie night.
Bruh.
Okay. Wait. Ebony, you on the vlog. I already told them that you're not with it. Everybody else is there? Yeah. Hi. Are they in your room? Okay. Yeah, I like this one, but I like the other one. I like Step Up better.
This nigga just crazy. So I was like,
because he's in prison for so long, so I can get why he wouldn't trust it now.
right.
Yeah. I like it. Yeah. Nah, girl, this is a hoodie. This is a whole entire hoodie. Oh, say hi to the vlog.